Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Tento. Today's lesson on January 5th, 2021 is our handwriting lesson. It's the letter S on the front with a few other letters at the bottom. I would like your name written very neatly across the top. So I'll give you a minute to do that. Okay, do you remember yesterday when we wrote letter S? We're working to keep it straight up and down, a backward C. It looks like a frontward C into a backward C, connected, or like a snake or a rope or a piece of yarn, kind of curly cued around. Let me go ahead and write that on here, and I'll hold it right under my chin. I'll try to do it backwards and upside down. Let's see how I do on this experimental handwriting. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. I'm going to start here. I'm going to go up to the purple line. Oh, not doing so good backwards and upside down. And looking at myself in the mirror. Coming around down. Oh, that's so woggly. Oh, see, even teachers make mistakes. Well, when you have to do it backwards and upside down, I'm going to fix it up a little bit here and get it going nicer. And there we go. Let me show it to you now. We're not in our classroom with the boards in the nicest of places. So here we go. There it is. And I'll trace my hand over it. You can trace it on your table or wherever you're working. Up, around, down at the blue line, across and back. See how that works? And it sits up nice and straight. And lowercase s is just like the uppercase s. So I'm going to start at the dot. See where my dot is? And I'm going, I'll hold it this way. Up, touching the dotted blue line, come around, forward, around, down to the red line, and done. There, that's a little better. Okay. Well, it's all right. It's okay. But that's what I'm looking for. Nice straight S going up and down, but your curves have to just come all the way around, almost like a circle, going one way, but not finishing, and going down another way and coming back. So it's back down to the left. So you start at the right, go toward the left, come down and go back toward the left. Now, on your other one, the only other letter I want to show you on this one is when I make letter I, which will be at the bottom of your page. See where it says S right here? S-I. Do you notice my eyes? Do you see big baseballs or big round balls of a dot? No, you see me just make a little dot. And I'm going to show you on this. I just take my straight line down to the red line, and halfway between the purple and blue, a dot. Well, that's kind of a crookedy-eyed dot, but I'm sure you could do better. See, I don't make a big round ball of yarn, so to speak. Just keep it nice and simple that way. All right, now we'll go to the back side. And on the back side, we have some lovely little kitty cats, and they have letter C, and then A, and O. So I'll review how to make C, A, and O. Let's see, I need to start at the top. I didn't make my red dot in the right place. So here it is. I've got it up at the top here. I'm going to turn this way, and I'm starting at the red dot to make capital C. I'm coming around, down, touching the line, curving back up, and I guess that's okay. It's not my best C, but I did pretty good for looking at it sideways. Now, I want you to look at it straight on when you do yours. And remember, when you hold your paper, to tilt your paper upward to the right if you are right-handed, and upward to the left if you are left-handed. And that way it works easier. And always, boys and girls, please use a pencil when you're doing your handwriting. No pens, ever, ever, ever. It just isn't good for anyone to use a pen when we're doing this kind of printing. So it worst comes to worst, I would prefer a crayon over a pen, and I do not want marker. I want pencil first, and if you don't have a pencil, then a crayon is okay. All right, I'm doing lowercase c. Starts at the dot, it goes up, back toward the left, comes down to the right, and up again. Well, my marker wasn't working very good, so it doesn't show up as well as it could, but not bad. Now, I'm not going to go over A and O because we have done that many times. So I would like to see you first put your name on your paper, then do the writing. See how my paper looks? I'll hold it up there so you have a good amount of time to look to see just how many I want on there. And then I'll turn it over and I'll show you the back. And now you can see just what I'm looking for on the back. And I always like it when you trace your letters first. All right, boys and girls, I hope to see beautiful handwriting. I want to see your best. Have a good day working on that. Bye-bye.